Okay, so we doing all new items, okay? Fun finds, all right? And I know you guys, you want the deals, trills for real, okay? And I'm in a place to be, and I'm going to deliver. I'm going to have you move your feet to the beat. How about that? Let's go. I can only be fancy. I can only be fancy for you guys. You see this? Ooh, child. Aren't they fancy? They just showing out at this point. This is the Almay lip vibes. Ooh, and they got that orange, okay? They got that orange. Ooh, this is so nice. Get into the packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now, they have another color as well, and I want to say this is the red of the red. All right, my love. So I said the reds of the reds. This is not, they both are orange, but it's really the lipstick package for me. Look at this. Live happy. This one, smile. I know that's right. Almay. Honey, at this point, Dollar Tree just need, they just need me to be their spokesperson, okay? All right. They also have the Joa Endless Lip Color. This is a matte finish. I have this on today. And let me tell you something. So I believe this is the red. Yesterday I took one home and I just knew it was a red, but honey, it's more so orange if you see my lip color. This was the one that I purchased yesterday. And as you see it looks just like red. Honey, I swear I know my colors, but this one is really the red. Now I see the difference, you see, because this one is more so orange. You see? Oh my goodness. I should have did this yesterday. Was in a rush, just wanted to buy the stuff. All right, my love. So this is definitely new. Totally iconic length mascara from LA Colors. And they have two different ones. So they have this one and then they also have the black one as well. Now I'm trying to see what's the difference. It don't look like it's... Wait, hold on, child. All right, so this one is a volume up, and this one is a length mascara. So the length mascara is the pink one. The volume up is the black. I will most likely do the length mascara. Now, another find that Dollar Tree has as well. This is new to my eyes. This is the Revive Naturally Moisturizing Factors Face and Body Spray. Our most nourishing body spray, fragrance free. This is $1.25. Now, my loves, if you guys happen to come across this, the Brightening Double Serum with vitamin C, absolutely amazing. I had tried this out yesterday. A little goes a long way. Don't use a whole lot. Less than a dime size, less than your pinky nail, okay, size, because a little goes a long way and it smells absolutely amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Super Berry Glow Boosting Clay Mask. This is $1.25. They also have the Exfoliate and Jelly Cleanser with hyaluronic acid, $1.25 as well. And then they have the Super Berry Hydrate and Jelly Cream. This is $1.25. This fragrance, the smell of this, oh my goodness, smell so good. Now, another fun find is the Glitzy Lemon. This is the face scrub, brightens and plump skin. This is enriched with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. They also have the Cherry Sparkle. This is a face toner, the Jelly Face Wash, $1.25. And they also have, oh my goodness, I remember the other day I was going to get this. This is the Snail Munchin Essence Hydrating, Brightening, Replenishing, $1.25 from Global Beauty. If you guys happen to see this turmeric, is going to pop up on the screen right here. This turmeric milk moisturizer from Dollar Tree, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, Dollar Tree also have these new Bio Miracle face clay face mask, purifies and restores for radiant skin, refresh and glow. And they have different ones. They also have the fig one, the clay face mask. Honey, get into the nails. I know, honey, I know, if I may say so myself. They also have the pomegranate peel off anti-aging and firming face mask. This is $1.25. This is definitely new. This is the C&D Creative Play Nail Lacquer. Ooh, that red, child, is the red for me. They also have this one with the glitter in here. This is a nice, that purple, honey, honey, you do what you want. Now, they also have this Sally Hansen. This is the Miracle Gel Neon. I like these colors. These neon colors, honey, they bright and just right. Ooh, this one is really nice. For $1.25, honey, you ain't even got to think twice. Now, my loves, if you looking for a wig spray, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be. They have this Softy, the Prep and Protect Refreshing Wig Dry Shampoo, Coconut Hibiscus, and this is $1.25. So you said that you are looking for a name brand, okay? The Invisible Bobble. This is the Strong Grip honey, the Strong Grip hair ring. These are $1.25, and this is definitely a name brand. You get 3 of these. Absolutely good. Now, I wouldn't necessarily say this is for my hair, my texture here, but honey, you got to do what works for you, okay? They have all types of colors. They have the black, the rose gold. They also have the clear. They have so many different ones. This is, what I absolutely love. Oh, look at this one. No ouch hair ring. They saying no pulling. This one is for the kids, right? Really good. These little plush collectors, I like these. These are $5. Really, really cute for the children. Love this. Look at the lion. Roar. Really cute. So we're gonna move on and come to the decor. Right now, Dollar Tree had these LED pillar candles. Did you guys see these already? This is the glitter LED pillar candles. These are $5. This is pretty much the only color they have them in when it comes to the glitter. Absolutely love this. 3 for $5. That's a steal deal. Now, candles that smells good. Now, I know some of you guys said, you stop buying Dollar Tree candles because once you light them, once you get them home, they don't smell the same, right? Hey, now, these candles right here, only thing I can say is these smell amazing. You see how these look? Really, really good. The Honey Crisp definitely is my favorite, the cider. Now, when it comes to these, to me, the candles over here, I don't know if I smelled the cashmere vanilla, but these two smell just alike. I know, they different names, but they smell just alike. Now, let's see how this smells. Yes, it's still giving that cider pumpkin scent. And this is cashmere vanilla. Come on, honey. Now, Dollar Tree also have these amazing harvest doormats. These are $5. Happy for y'all. They also have these printed fleece throws. These are, I want to say these are $7. They got their red sticker. And then a 30 count LED leaf light. These are $7 as well. The velvet pumpkins, these are $7. I like these. These are really, really nice. These are gorgeous. If you guys are looking for the 10 count LED pumpkin lights, Dollar Tree definitely has them. $7. And then they also have the squirrel one. Really, really cute. $7 as well. Now, when it comes to the snacks, normally I would get these from the Asian supermarket, like Ranch 99. Honey, that's the name of the supermarket. These are good. Really, really good. They taste delicious, especially the strawberry. I'm a strawberry type of gal when it comes to stuff like this, okay? Another new find that Dollar Tree has is the Hers. Now, this is like pretty much every Dollar Tree item of the week. These variety packs, sour cream and onion is definitely my favorite. Honey, if one of these had to go, which one would it be? If one of them definitely had to go, it would definitely have to be the popcorn. Now, these are $5. They also have these mini tackies. You get 10 singles for $5. And they come in 2 different flavors. They have the red ones, and then I know they had, at some locations, the blue ones as well. This is a great steal deal. Now, another amazing find is these lunch boxes right here. I thought these was like really, really cute. These are $5. They have the spoon and a fork in there. They have the interlock right here. The interlocks on the side, really, really cute. They come in 2 different colors. They have the gray and also the green. Really, really good, like a chicken wing. All right, family, so when it comes to the items at Dollar Tree, let me know which one was your favorite. Mine's definitely was the Almay, the lipstick. Those looked really, really good. More than, $1.25. And then also the Revlon, okay? Was it Revlon? The makeup that we just seen. That looked really good as well, $1.25. And I'm going to be testing that out because I did purchase it today at a different Dollar Tree. So I'm excited to see, if they're going to have me move or us move our feet to the beat. With that being said, keep rocking out, believing in yourselves. Keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.